Well, today is the 29th, and they've been laying down the new flooring. It's pretty nice. It's kind of darkish and lightish, and nice colors. Actually, it looks like it'll be really nice. And these little signs here say, "Do not step." So I'll try not to step. Anyways, here's where the island will be. And then we have some cabinetry, more cabinetry, countertop-ish stuff. And there's the other room. So it looks like they're making some progress. But we're coming up on Labor Day weekend, so I think that's that for this weekend.